Banks on Wall Street say AI is already making a big difference. This is not a test. It is happening now. By the end of 2025, artificial intelligence moved from small experiments into the core of daily work. Leaders at the biggest banks now talk about AI as a fundamental upgrade. It is an operational change that is already lifting performance. They speak about it in plain terms. They see it as a tool that frees up time for their employees. They also see it as a way to do more work with fewer people. This change is not a far-off prediction. It is a present-day reality unfolding across the financial industry. The central claim from bank executives is one of clear productivity gains. At a recent conference in New York, leaders described how AI is boosting output. They see improvements in engineering teams. They see them in back-office operations. They see them in customer service departments. This is not just about making things a little faster. It is about fundamentally changing how tasks are completed. The conversation has shifted from if AI will have an impact to how much and how soon. The evidence they present suggests the impact is growing quickly. The numbers they share are starting to get very large. This quiet revolution is reshaping one of the world's most powerful industries. It touches everything from complex financial trades to simple customer inquiries. While the technology itself can be complex, the goals are simple. Banks want to lower their costs, they want to increase their speed, they want to make smarter decisions with the vast amounts of data they hold. AI offers a path to achieve all three of these goals at the same time. This is why investment in this technology has become a top priority. The early results suggest that the investment is paying off, creating both new opportunities and new challenges. The story of AI on Wall Street is therefore a story of two sides. On one side, there is the promise of immense value. Reports from firms like McKinsey estimate that generative AI could add hundreds of billions of dollars to the banking sector annually. On the other side, there is the unavoidable question of jobs. If software can do the work of a person, what happens to that person? Banks are already signaling their plans. They are hiring more cautiously, even during profitable years. They are preparing for a future where technology handles a greater share of the workload. This sets the stage for a profound transformation. At many large banks, AI is not a single magical tool. It is a collection of different systems working together. Some tools are designed to understand and generate human language. Banks call these large language models, or LLMs. They can help employees write reports, summarize long documents, and even draft emails. Other AI systems are built for numbers and patterns. They analyze market data to spot trading opportunities. They detect fraudulent transactions in real time. These tools work quietly in the background, processing information at a scale and speed that humans cannot match. A key part of the new AI toolkit is its ability to learn. These systems are not just programmed with a fixed set of rules. They analyze new data and improve over time. For example, a customer service AI can learn from millions of past interactions. It gets better at understanding what customers are asking for and learns to provide more accurate and helpful answers. This learning capability is what makes modern AI so powerful. It lets the software adapt to new situations and handle non-repetitive tasks. Banks are deploying these tools across nearly every department. Front office, AI helps traders execute orders more efficiently. Middle office, it automates checking trades and managing risk. Back office, it handles tasks like processing payments and onboarding new clients. The goal is a more connected and automated workflow. Instead of people passing tasks from one department to another, AI systems can handle many steps automatically. This reduces human error and speeds up the entire process from start to finish. The most advanced form is called agentic AI. These are autonomous agents, not just assistants. They can receive a high-level goal and create and execute a multi-step plan to achieve it. Example: optimize a client's investment portfolio, analyze market conditions, identify suitable assets, execute the trades, and report back on the results. This is a fundamental shift from simple efficiency gains to complex, end-to-end work. One of the clearest examples of AI in action comes from JP Morgan Chase. The bank has become a leader in applying this technology. It has developed an internal system called the LLM Suite. This tool is now available to over 200,000 employees, making it the largest AI deployment on Wall Street. Staff use it to generate code and summarize research notes. AI initiatives are already generating about $1.5 billion in annual business value, a real financial return. Another powerful example is COIN, Contract Intelligence, used at JP Morgan to analyze complex legal documents. In the past, teams spent countless hours reviewing commercial credit agreements. COIN can perform this work in seconds. It processes thousands of agreements each year and saves an estimated 360,000 hours annually. Employees refocus on more valuable tasks, while operations costs fall. At Bank of America, the virtual assistant Erica serves millions inside the mobile app. Erica can answer questions, provide balances, track spending, and help set up payments. It has handled over 3 billion client interactions, now serves nearly 50 million users, and averages about 58 million interactions every month. These are established systems delivering measurable results, helping employees work faster, automating tedious tasks, and improving customer service. The primary driver is greater productivity. Bank leaders now provide specific numbers. Marianne Lake at JP Morgan said units using AI see productivity around 6%, roughly double prior gains. She projected operations roles could eventually gain 40 to 50%. These repetitive, rule-based jobs are ideal for automation, changes that would be transformative. JP Morgan reported profits up 12%, while headcount rose just 1%, more output without proportional hiring. The industry is planning for fewer people, even amid strong profits, because technology is taking over more tasks. Surveys point to workforce reductions and broad role risk. Some banks, like Morgan Stanley, already cite automation and job cuts. The most forward-thinking banks understand that AI is not just another tool to be layered on top of old processes. To unlock its full potential, they must fundamentally redesign how work gets done. Simply giving employees a chatbot for email is a minor improvement. Real value comes from reimagining entire workflows with AI at the center. This means breaking down old departmental silos and creating automated processes that flow seamlessly organization-wide. It is a deeper, harder change, but where the largest gains are found. This transformation depends on two critical foundations: data and governance. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Banks have enormous data, but it is often messy and siloed. A major part of the AI journey involves cleaning, organizing, and unifying this data. This creates a strong base for powerful applications. Without high-quality data, advanced models fail to deliver reliable results. This foundational work is expensive, time-consuming, but not optional. Banks must build strong governance frameworks. AI introduces new risks. A biased algorithm could lead to unfair lending. A mistake in automated trading could create large losses. Clear rules and oversight are required. Models must be explainable, with humans reviewing critical outputs. The goal is speed and innovation without eroding trust. This balance is essential for long-term success. Ultimately, redesign leads to a new kind of organization. McKinsey describes a shift to teams of interoperable AI agents deployed across the bank. These agents could handle client onboarding, trade settlement, and portfolio optimization, passing information automatically. Human roles move towards strategy, complex problem-solving, and managing the agents themselves. This is a bank that is faster, smarter, more automated than ever before, a fundamental reset of the model. Looking to the near future, AI integration will accelerate. Technology is evolving rapidly, incentives are enormous, and AI in banking neared $35 billion in 2025, growing fast. Agentic AI promises deeper changes. Pressure to adapt will rise, with tech skills in higher demand and repetitive roles shrinking. Continuous learning and flexibility will be key. Jobs of tomorrow require collaboration with intelligent systems.